Welcome back to the Man in the Machine, and the event is closing out, so hey, let's see what we got for you. It's got a little backwards, but I still got the intro for you. Let's rock and roll. Boom.
I don't know why I went away. I'll make you cry when I run away. Take me back, cause I wanna stay. Save your tears for another. Save your tears for another day. Who's gonna save the world tonight? Who's gonna bring it back to life? We're gonna make it, you and I. We're gonna save the world tonight.
Alright, bottles on me, long as someone drink it. Never drop the ball, fuck it y'all thinking. Making sure the young money ship is never sinking. About to set it off in this bitch Jada Pinkett. I shouldn't have drove, tell me how I'm getting home. You too fine to be laying down in bed alone. I could teach you how to speak my language, Rosetta Stone. I swear this life is like the sweetest thing I've ever known.
Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Said that you love me, but that'll last forever. It's cold outside, like when you walked out my life. Why you walk out my life?
Well, on the way the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Oh Lord, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. And girl, I
feel like this every time. All these days you feel like me.
And girl,
every kind of me.
Still falling for you, and just like that, oh, breathe, oh, feel, you are all for me, and just like that, oh, breathe, oh, feel, you are all for me. No one can lift me, catch me the way that you do. Still falling for you. When darkness turns to light, it ends tonight. It ends tonight. Just a little insight will make this right. It's too late to fight. It ends tonight. I got my peaches out in Georgia, oh yeah shit. I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I told my chick up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah, yeah that's it. I got my peaches out in Georgia, oh yeah shit. I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I told my chick up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah.
What the fuck, Richard?
Let's get an inside look at Eric's new 765LT. Let's take a look at this color. Look at that purple. Look at it shine. It's gonna get this thing corrected. Look at the way it makes that shifting color of dark purple, blue. Look at this carbon fiber all the way down. And what he told me was there is carbon fiber here. Look at this here. And what? They actually have carbon fiber freaking side view arms. What the heck? Are you serious? I love these carbon fiber fender flares, whatever they are, kind of like side panels. The carbon fiber spoiler with a little bit of the purple up top. the warm heated exhaust, and then this fucking gold surround. That's what you want. These bronze wheels, bronze gold wheels. I think that's a unique look. I gotta say, I'm a fan. But even to top it off, these calipers, kind of close to the paint. I think they're like a flat color, not a metallic color. The wheels are nice. I mean, I was wondering how this gold look would look on the bronze or the purple, but it's a good contrast. What about the inside? Let's get on the inside of this sucker. Look at that carbon. The white carbon on the inside is sweet. Let's see what this thing looks like one more time. Closed off. Sexy time. Nice little opaque. I think it shifts. Oh, look at that. See? Get some shade. Open it up. How do you go one more? I don't think you can go one more. And then the engine, right there. Let's go. I don't even know what this is. What is this? V8 twin turbo? 765. 1,000 horsepower, maybe. It's a very light 800 horsepower car. The cool thing that stands out the most to me, outside of the fact that this thing is decked out in carbon everywhere, gloss carbon everywhere, is you see those little inlets on the seat cushions with the purple? That's dope. Those seat inlets with purple. There's some dry carbon on the frame of the car. I like that. He needs to dust that off. But carbon everywhere. We like it. We like the carbon everywhere. Congratulations, Eric. Your car is sweet. Look at that beauty. 297 of 765. That is limited, my peoples. Limited. I don't even know how his fat ass gets out of here. I can barely get out of here. This is how you close a 765 door. I'm going to create how-to videos on how to open supercar doors. How to get out. How to get out. Do it yourself. Yeah. Featuring the owner of the car. We want to see him get in and out of the car.
Anything that happened before or after?